Welcome students. Page number 117. Email discussion groups. Computer mediated communication is getting popular day by day. There are various ways to use computer mediated communication. Computer mediated communication, short form is here CMC, is, is popular today. We are using this type of communication every day in our life. There are many email discussion groups created by many people for their business purpose, for educational purpose, for professional purpose, etc. So email discussion group, also known as email discussion forum. Email discussion group known as email discussion forum or email discussion group, also known as internet groups. Or email discussion group is also known as mailing lists or listserv, is a type of a group that avails online environment for providing, sharing, exchanging, commenting, discussing on a certain topic within a group by using email. This group is made up of people anywhere in the world who agree to communicate on a certain topic using email or internet. See, this is, I think, a very wide purpose of email group, internet group, for providing information, for sharing ideas, for giving information, for arranging meetings for the professional purpose, for exchanging ideas of many people to get information or giving information, for commenting, criticizing, discussing many certain topics related to that particular business or profession or any other subject. This group is made up anywhere in the world, those who are agree for the discussion. So this is email discussion groups. You are certainly familiar with WhatsApp group or Facebook groups. Similarly, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, you are using these particular things by your mobile. Similarly, you can subscribe or you are joining or you are creating many email discussion groups with your mobile. For this, you must have your email ID. Every student, every person, those who are using today smartphones, that particular person has his own email ID. You can also use Google Groups to create an online email discussion group. Once you sign into Google Groups, at the top of left you will cross the option create a group. There is a option create group. So you have to click on the create group and enter the information and choose a setting of the group for the group and again click the option create. You can select your group type like email list or discussion group by signing into Google Groups. There, if you click on the option choose a group, at the top of the right you will come across the option manage. Then you can select a group type and you can choose email list between the other options like web forum or Q&A forum. Mailing list provide a convenient means of message distribution giving a clear idea of purpose of the discussion group. What is your purpose for that particular group, making a group? So this may be you have to provide the particular information. And there is a moderated mailing list includes selection for certain control attachment transmission etc. So email discussion groups can be effectively used for teaching and learning process. Email discussion groups teacher and 50 to I think nearly 60 or 100 many particular students are also joined to that particular group. So for teaching and learning these email discussion groups are very effectively used today. These discussion groups can provide a useful dialogue. There is a complete full complete or clear dialogue between the teacher and the student also. There are students also. There are teacher or one student or teacher or many students also there. Or student to vice versa teacher also there. So this may be the clear contact with the particular teacher and students. So these discussion groups can provide a useful dialogue between the teacher and teacher means instructor sometime and students for collaborative activities. You students may also do some practicals according to the suggestions of the teacher do by email particular group also there. So the subject the content discussion group or the subject of the discussion group unit test exam unit test means exams online discussion among the students on the topics or any other subject or syllabus project etc. Maybe these activities may be also followed by email groups with the help of these email groups also there. So this computer mediated communication means day by day have become successful in educational process also there.